Morning students, welcome to offline classes for 8th standard. So today we are going to discuss one of the important chapter and in science, that is what force and pressure. So what is force and where we are seeing force in our day-to-day life, and what is pressure? So these in our day-to-day we are applying all these things we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let us start with the first one, that is what? Force. So what is force here? A force is a push or a pull or both. A force cannot be seen, but we can feel and observe we can feel that. So observe some effects of force here. So what is force? Before this, what is force? A force is a push or a pull or a both. So what is force? See, what is force means the force is nothing but what? Either you need to push or you need to pull. So for example, whenever you go to the mall or any shop, if you go first, what happens? They used to close the door, and you what you go to do? You just open while entering into the hall or while you entering into the mall. What happens? You need to open the door. So when you open the door, you just observe that they have been written that push and pull. So when you pull that, the door will open and you will enter it. Okay, and when you coming out again, you will push that door and it will come out. So this is what pulling and pushing of door. So that is one of the example what. So why the door will get open? So you are applying kind of force over there. So that is what kind of force you are applying, the pull or force. Push. So this is what we consider about the force. So in your day-to-day life, many places people are observing this. The kicking a ball, hitting a ball during while playing a cricket, and jumping. Okay, these are all the example what force, where it is happen. There the force is exerted over there. Okay, some effects you just see. Effects you just see the push. When you come to the push here, a force to move an object away from our bodies. The push, a force to move an object away from our bodies. So when you push, what happens? Whatever the object which you are trying by you, what happens when you apply a push? What happens? It moves away from us, and the pull. A pull is when we apply a force to move an object towards our body. Okay, so the same example when we have given example of opening of door or closing of a door. So when you pull the door, what happens? It comes towards you. When you push the door, it goes away from you. So this is an example what the force. So what is force here? A force is a pull or a push or both. That is considered as what a force. So example, here some example what the push and pull. Here see playing a guitar, sawing a wood, scrubbing the floor, and rowing a boat. So these are some examples which we experience now. So let us discuss some more example that you will feel better on this. So forces are due to an interaction. So what is a force due to what? Interaction. See here, an interaction of one object and another object results in a force between the two objects. So here what happens? Force due to interaction. An interaction of one object on the other object, okay, results in a force between the two objects. You just see here, so you just consider this is a person, one object, whereas car is also another object. What happens? Example, if a man stands behind a car, the car does not move. So if you stand, so there is a car, if you stand beside the car, will the car able to move? So no, the car will never move. So what happens? Then what happens? If he pushes the car, he applies a force and the car begins to move in the direction of the applied force. Okay, so think that it is in a car. If you stand behind the car, will the car able to move? No, car will not able to move. So when you push this car, what happens? The car begins to move. In what direction you will apply a force? So when the car will start to move, you are applying a force on the car. So then only car begins to move. So in what direction the car will move? In what direction you are applying a force? So according to the direction of the force, the car begins to move here. So this is one of the example. So what happened due to, so here, so you are applying a force to the particular direction. So there is an interaction between, so car able to move by applying a force of this person. So there is an interaction between person and the car. So due to interaction, what happened? The force applies. So due to applying the force on the car is able to move. So we will see some more examples on this. So that is, you just see some examples. So here is the same. The car is the person standing behind the car. So car is not moving at all. So when this person tries to push the car, then the car begins to move. So here you just see that. So there are two examples. See here, both girls are playing each other. So both are trying to push each other. But she is also applying a force, and she is also applying a force. So then who is applying? So then who is pushing whom? So here, or she is pushing her, or she is pushing her. So what happens? Both applying the same force, so that nobody is able to move. And you just take one more example. If people you have played in your ground, school ground, right? So she is pulling her, where she is also pulling her. So then both are pulling each other. Who is going to pull more? That we can't able to say that. So here one more example he just said. He is trying to pull the cow, but even this cow is trying to go away from him. So it is also pulling its own direction. So when both are pulling each other, here both are pushing each other. Here also both are pushing each other, pulling each other. And here you just see, I think this game you might be played. So here, this is a tug of rope. What happened? This is a one team, whereas this is another team. So both the teams applying a force each other, so that this rope is not moving at all. So it will be stationary. So what? This is also one example. These all these examples will give an idea of what. So these here, two girls, both are pushing each other. So both are applying a force each other. When both are applying force each other, nobody able to move. Here also both are pulling each other, so that no force, the force will become what? Zero. So here nobody will able to move. Here also, this is the four members are there. Here also 4 members are there. Both are trying to pull each other. So when they are applying, here this team applies force, and even this team also applying a force. When the force is applying both each other, this rope is never moved again. So the team which applies more force, that team will what happen? That able to move the rope. So that where the force is more, that team will able to move. That team will able to win. In the same way here also, he is also applying he is also trying to pull the cow, where this is also trying to pull the him. So that both are applying a kind of forces. So when they are both applying a force each other, so that these two not able to move each other. So what happens? The force become what? Zero point. So these forces what we call the balanced and the unbalanced forces. You just see here example. So you see. So what is it? Exploring force. If the two forces act on a body in the same direction, the net force is the sum of the two forces. If the two forces act on the body in same direction. See for example, so think this is a box. So here F1 and F2 are the two persons. So they are trying to push this box to the end of this. So what happens? This person is also applying a kind of force, and even this person is also applying a kind of force. So when these two persons applying a force, for example, if he is applying 10% of force, and even if this person is also applying what? 10% of force. So 10%, what happens? 20% of force will exert on this box. So that by taking that 20% of the box, what happens? It will move each other. For example, in case two persons are pushing this box, in case it will move, it take about what? 2 minutes or 3 minutes to push to this end. In case here there are 6 members are there, then what happen? Within a very short amount, little amount of time, they can able to move that particular place. What happens? Because all of them 6 members will add in their own kind of force. So due to all those force that will help the box to move that. So this is what if the two forces act on a body in the same direction, the net force is sum of the two forces. What happened here? How much they are how many members are there here? All the members force will add, and that can go away. That box will be able to move further. Okay, this is called what the unbalanced force. Unbalanced force what the unbalanced force acting in the same direction combined by the. So this is what called a unbalanced force. If you go to the next one, one more example, one more unbalanced force. What? Unbalanced forces acting in an opposite direction combined by subtraction. The net force is the difference between the two forces and is exerted the direction of the larger force. I already told you. Think this is a one person called F1. This is another person called F2. He is trying to push the boxes towards this direction. Whereas F2 person, he is also trying to push the box towards this direction. So one is pushing towards this direction, whereas another person is pushing towards this direction. So both are applying force each other. So when both are applying force each other, what happens? The box not able to move at all. So in case F2 applies more force than the F1, what happens? This box will move towards this side. In R, if F1 applies more force than the F2, what happens? This box will move towards that side. Who applies more force? According to that direction, what happened? The box is able to move. So this is also called what? Unbalanced force. So I understood. So one is a person F1, whereas a person F2. He is also pushing the box towards this side, whereas this person is also pushing towards this side. Both applying force each other. When both applying force each other, what happens? The box not able to move, and it will be stationary. Who will apply more force? According to that, his towards that direction, the box will be able to, object will be able to. This is also called what? The effect on the object depends on the net force acting on it. Yes, the effect on the object depends on the net force acting on it. How much force is exerting on this box, that depends. And if this person applies more force or this person applies more force, according to that, the box will be able to. This is also called the unbalanced force. So next, if you go to that, now one more example here. If we pull the block from the both sides with the same force, the block remains stationary. The forces are equal and opposite. The net force is what? 0. Such a pair of forces are called a balanced force. Here you just see, he is also pushing toward, pulling toward this side, and there is one more person pulling toward that side. So what happens? The force are equal in opposite direction. So he is also applying a force in the same amount, whereas this person is also applying what? A same amount of force, and he is applying force towards, pulling towards this direction, whereas he is pulling towards that direction. So what happens? The net force will be what happen? 0. Such pair of forces are called what? Balanced forces. One more. The balanced force do not change the state of rest or motion of an object. So what happens? When both are applying force each other, what happens? So it will not able to move. And however, they can change in size and the shape of the object. If you try to pull more and more, what happens? Its shape and the size get changes. This is an example what a balanced force. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss more about this chapter. Okay.